Great. In that case, yeah. Can you tell me a bit about your professional background or the situation, what it was like before rolling into the academy? What were like some of the pain points you were facing?
Yeah, so I started my data experience back in 2024. And I went through the boot camp process. And what I noticed was that after completing the boot camp, there wasn't a concrete plan in regards to how we can break into the market. I joined another boot camp because they sold it to me in a way that really like appealed to what I was looking for. And through that boot camp, I was able to realize that, I like to talk a lot. And so data analyst position was probably my best bet in terms of merging both the technical and the stakeholder engagement in one. But again, I was still unable to find jobs. So I had seen a lot of commercials in regards to Data Engineer Academy. I'd seen a lot of testimonials of how people were able to not only break into the market, but they were able to earn three times more as much as they were currently earning. And I figured that it's an opportunity. You have to invest in yourself, and you have to work hard to see the fruits of your labor. And at that time, I had actually lost my job, so there was really nothing that was restricting me from actually taking a chance. And you know, I guess one of the things I really learned when it came to joining the Data Engineer Academy is that you have to put the work in. You have to put the work in on yourself. You have to put the work in regards to learning about not only SQL, Python, all those tools, but being able to explain your insights and being able as well to answer behavioral questions. Like it's not just tools that matter, but it's the way that you're conversing with stakeholders and different parts of the business. And so by doing that, I thought it was a great experience, being able to learn and being able to really discover what the gaps are that I needed to fill. And, in doing so, and after a lot of applying, I was able to land my dream job.
Great, man. I mean, you went over most of the stuff. Can you just tell me a bit about why specifically DEA? What drew you to us?
I think specifically the reason for DEA was I was able to listen to the CEO of DEA really break it down, really share his experiences, and really provide us hope. Especially in the current job market or current economy that we're in, jobs are very hard to get. But he made it very, very clear as to what his goal is for each of us that joins the DEA. And he also mentioned as well too that it's not for everybody. There's a specific type of profile that they're looking for. It's almost like a college or a university. Not everybody would join the DEA, and he understood that. But he was looking for the best of the best. I really showing them the hope and what life could be like becoming a data engineer.
Great. And what's something that you specifically liked about DEA?
I liked the the assistance. I liked the fact that you're speaking with different tech people, and you're getting different tech ideas, especially when it came to the interview preparation. I love that the most because there are questions that I would never think that would come up that eventually did come up, and I was able to really understand their thought process when it came to the answer. So the interview preparation was really, really key for me. I also like the storytelling as well, being able to tell a story in regards to the data that we see, whether it's on Tableau or whether it's on Power BI, really being able to explain the data to non-technical people. So I really like those two aspects.
I'm glad to hear it. And at the end, I mean, can you share the measurable result that you got from it, like the at the end of the day, the increase that you got, and maybe a recommendation, like who specifically would you recommend DA to?
Okay, so I mean, in terms of the measurable, I think we sent about 730 resumes, 730 applications. And I had a pretty good score when it came to getting the interviews. And so the one I would recommend this to are people that have all the tools, but just need a little bit of direction. I think with the boot camps, it's great. You learn, but they're not going to actually help you get a job. They're really there to help you in terms of your tools and your skills. You're kind of on your own. Whereas here, they take into account that you already have the skills, and if you don't, you can actually fill in the gaps. And at the end of the day, they look at your best interest at heart in regards to what it is that you're looking to apply for. Like what type of field are you looking to get into? And then they apply and they apply and they apply and they apply until you get a job. And so for those that are really struggling in the job market in regards to finding the right job for them, or they're in a job right now and they don't feel that their efforts are appreciated or that their skill set really matches what they're doing, I would recommend DEA to that specific target market.
Cool. Thank you. And at the end, can you just share like the difference between before and now? Like example, like just a percentage of, I guess, the pay increase or something like that you received. Are you comfortable with it, like sharing it, or we can skip it?
I mean, coming from a background in terms of business development, portfolio management, back then, those were the type of jobs I was looking for. I never really had any intention of going into the tech industry, but I realized that the market is changing and that tech was really becoming something that's important. Data was becoming and is becoming something that's extremely important. And so with my past, I wasn't able to really exploit my expertise. And that's the reason why I wasn't working. And so from then till now, I have more confidence in myself. I have more confidence in the fact that at the end of the day, the company is there to train you to, build the best product of you. They are really there to tap into your strengths. And I think with DEA, they really did a good job of doing so. There were never any silly questions. They were always there to help you out because at the end of the day, their objective was to get you into the workforce, but to get you into the workforce in a better position than when you came in. And so with my situation, losing my job and then losing a job again, I knew that data was really the right path for me. And I was able to practically double my income with the current offer that I got.
Thank you, man. That was really good. Thank you for this. I'll share it with my team. And are you comfortable with us using this for like marketing purposes, sharing with other students, stuff like that, posting it on our site?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Thank you, man.